Hi, welcome. If it is your first time of stopping by or coming across my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. I appreciate each and every one of you who always tune back to watch my program. May God Almighty bless you. You are free to leave your comment constructively. Like you know, I present to you information across the globe, especially Nigeria to be precise. And today, I present to you another exciting video which we are going to watch together. Now let's watch this video together, then come to my comment section and tell me what you think about the video. You are free to criticize, but constructively, as we watch the video together.
Call you Sima, or they call you what? Call you Sima, or they call you what? I don't know what they call you. Whatever they call you, you say that your father say you should not trust any Igbo man. That is why your father say you should not trust any Igbo man. Do you see, before you come to the struggle, if at all you really come for this struggle, you have already have biased mind not to trust any Igbo man. Have any Igbo man eat your money? Have you done business with any Igbo man that he eat your money? If you do business with any Igbo man, he eat your money, it's a general thing. But you have never done any business with any Igbo man that he eat. Have you give anything to the DOX or Kano family that you ask them, they didn't bring it back and give to you, that made you to say your father say you should not trust any Igbo man? You have already decided not to trust any Igbo man. But in this struggle, people that are praising you, people that are buying you, people that are doing everything with you, all sort of things with you, are the Igbo people. They are Igbo people. Do you understand? They are Igbo people. And we know why all these things are happening. Anywhere, anybody that have any misfortune, he will target, he will say Igbo cause am for me. Anyone where the wife get miscarriage, he will call Igbo man. Anything they do today in Nigeria, that zoo, they did succeed, they will call Igbo or IPOB. They will not call other people. Okay, let me tell you, since you people say you guys are not Igbo, do you know what it takes to be an Igbo man? The list of Igbo man, you are not up to the list of Igbo man. The list of Igbo man, you are not up to. Even the mad one, those mad ones that in our village, that they are mad, you are not up to them. You are not up to them. You are not up to them. In 1991, the riot in Kano, they start killing Igbo. The Yoruba at the other side, they are happy. By then, we have never had this closeness. This unity between we and the Yoruba has never came there. They are happy. Do you know, when we stand and rise to fight back, we push them back, we repel them back in their land, in the Hausa land. We repel them back. Do you know what they did? They start killing Yoruba. They start killing Yoruba people. Do you know what do you know the language that the Hausa speak? They say jirigin. Jirigin when they yakawo inyamri shine yakawo bierebe. Bierebe ko na maka banza. Bierebe ko na maka banza. Bo sarikinsu. Bo ya imeka banza ike. They start killing Yoruba. Saying even the Yoruba we don't go Mecca, we be Muslim, say it's a bastard. They start killing them. Akwa Ibom man no see road there. Talk less of to even mention Akwa Ibom. Because the Akwa Ibom man is under the canopy of Igbo man. He's under the canopy of Igbo man. Since you people don't know that divide and rule, and that's why you guys are suffering. That's why everywhere are like this. In every of your thing where it will end Igbo man, and you are working with Igbo man, and people are there, the stupid Igbos are there watching you, insulting, pouring spit in the grave of our fathers, our forefathers that fought for us to live. That is who your father is referring to, that told you that useless story. But your father cannot tell you that people like Philip Effion, that we never betrayed people like Philip Effion, because Philip Effion is a good man. Even his son, Professor his son, are still working with the Igbo people today, because he know that he's an Igbo. Ojukwu flowed up with him, and that guy is still alive till today. He has the best education. A good man must produce a good man. An evil man must give birth to an evil man. Your father is an evil man. If your father is not an evil man, you will not come and say that word. Your father is an evil man. We have people like Okokonde from Odukwane. We have people like Okokonde from Odukwane. We have people like Imoke. This governor, this Cross River governor, don't you know that one of his cousin or his late parents are member of Biafran army, even in Biafra parliament, representing their own constituency. Even your Akpabio, even Godswill Akpabio in Enugu. Don't trust Igbo man. This Ubodu Cattle Ranch. Is he an Akwa Ibom man builder? The Ubodu Cattle Ranch. Is he an Akwa Ibom man builder? Beside Keopara. Build it. Because you put hatred. We thought that you are with us. We don't know that you are not with us. That day you mentioned that your father told you, that is why your father told you not to trust any Igbo man. I thank God all these things are coming out. Our people, open your eyes. Know people that you are relating with. Know people that you are doing things with. Know people that you are doing things with. Know people that you are talking with. When you say you are fighting for Biafra, Oga fight for Biafra. But when you leave fighting for Biafra and come to Igbo, Oga, I will face you. Because I'm an Igbo before I become Biafra. I'm an Igbo before the Biafra. So I must protect the Igbo. Maybe in a Biafra be waiting home and you together, or the Igbo-ness not home and you together. I must fight. That my Igbo-ness. That my Igbo-tic. I will stand for the Igbo. For the Igbo race. So for you to say, don't trust, your father told you. And now you are telling us that, yes, what your father told you is true. And if we ask you, what is the evidence? You don't have any evidence. And you still get the mind to come out say, from 2019 till now that our leader cancelled the election, what is the progress that IPOB has made? What is the progress that IPOB has made? And you want us to be naming it one after the other. The jealousness you have covered your eye, covered your brain, and you don't know anything again. You don't know anything again. You don't know what is going on again. You know, one thing is that when you start this jealousness, I know that you are not going anywhere. No, you are not going anywhere. You will just end. You cannot even be an average man. You cannot even go to say, the guy is yes, it's an average. You cannot even go up to. You have finished the limit. That's what they call limit. You have shoot to the last. Your last energy is what you just give out. Your last energy is what you give out. Just watch and see what will be happening. Because one, you have insulted those that are feeding you. You have insulted those people you are agitating with. Let me ask you, how many people have you bring? Have you sanitized your own place? And bring your own people and put them in the front? You have insulted our leader too, that he cancelled the election 2019 till now. What is the progress that IPOB has made? That one person should count it for him. IPOB has made millions of progress. They are uncountable. IPOB has made millions of progress. Uncountable. IPOB has written their names in the place that name has never been before. If you don't know it now. If you don't know it now. You are too small to challenge Igbo people. No. The whole world, the Biafran war, where you dey hear, na third world war. The whole world face Igbo people. No. Let me tell you, face Biafran. They no fit destroy Biafran. You be small rat now. Na small rat you be. You be small rat. Look at you. Nothing wey I no go hear for this kind air too. Look at this small boy. That is why your father told you. Now people will give you the platform to speak. Now them are the blame.
My wonderful people, thank you so much for watching this video together with me. I appreciate your massive support in this channel. Like I said before, if it is your first time of stopping by or coming across my YouTube channel, you are welcome. Now that we have finished watching this video together, you saw me sitting there watching it together with you. I appreciate you. Let's go to the comment section to talk about it. If it is your first time, subscribe, put on your notification bell. That notification bell is very, very important because it will enable you to know when I upload a new video. I will meet you guys again in my next video. I appreciate your massive support. Remain blessed. Bye-bye.